Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to bleach my hair because my hair is growing fast and here it's becoming black color. It's looking really weird, especially when I take pictures. So I'm going to bleach this part, and this is the product I'm going to use today. I bought it from Boots. It's the first time for me to use it, so we'll see how it will become. Hopefully it will not become a mess. Let's see what's inside. This is part for the mix part 1. This is the developing lotion, so I think I need to put this one inside this one and mix it. They also gave me a mask. After I bleach my hair will become really dry, so they offer this. And let's see how long it will take. It says I need to leave it for 20 minutes, but I think I'm gonna leave it for half an hour because my hair is darker. And they gave me, I think this is a glove or hat. I think it's a glove. Yeah, they gave me 2 gloves for me to apply it. But first, let me put this one inside. So the question is, do I bleach all my hair or just the roots here? Because if I only bleach my roots, it will be difficult to manage. But I just put them inside together and I shake it, shake. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm going to look at my mirror. Yeah, I can put them together. So I'm going to look this way. So I just finished applying the product. Let's wait for half or maybe an hour and I will see. So this is after 40 minutes. I think it's not getting any white. What do? I failed. I definitely don't recommend this product, so I'm going to wash my hair and dry it. So let's see what the final color is at. Maybe I need to buy another one. Shit. My god. See, the color is, the pink becomes light gray, I think, but the black is still black. See, the black is still black. It does not change anything. I expect this color and it's nothing like that. So if you have darker hair like me, stay away from this product. It's useless. I think it can only bleach white color. But if you have such blonde color, why do you need to bleach it? It shouldn't cost £8, maybe £1. I have to buy another bleach from a different brand and bleach my hair into white. And also I'm going to dye my hair in pink color because I really love the pink. But this color is also okay. I think it's okay. It's not that bad. It's just not what I expected. So I hope you guys enjoying today's video, and please drop me a like and also follow my Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.